Alrighty, so I'm in here right now in the garage under the Fairmont again, and I really think I need a 90 degree here. I don't think this straight would be good for it because I want to cut and go over this way on top of the gas tank. I wouldn't have to drop the gas tank down, but would take it over there. I got enough room up in there. If I can get up in there and show you, maybe not. But I have enough room on top of the gas tank where I can run the line. You see right there. So if I go with a 90 degree, I can get up there. I just think that's too much of a bend right there for the straight, which I can leave that straight on there and use that up front, hopefully. But I think I'm gonna go with this and put a 90 degree, and then I'm gonna run it along the inside of the frame. Run along the inside of the frame all the way up. So that way I can get it up inside there, which is the frame. But I'd run it over the top of the gas tank. So no, I wouldn't have to pull the gas tank down or nothing like that. I could feed it over that. That wouldn't be a problem at all. So I'm just kind of giving you guys an idea what's going on here tonight. But yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's buttoned up good. I'm pretty happy. I still got to button up this right here, but I'm not going to button it up and tighten it up until I start running this, because I'm going to have to go over the top of that. So I don't know if I need to move that or what I need to do right now, but I shouldn't have to pull the tank out again. I'm really liking the way this came out. I really am. The straps, I just actually clear coated them. So yeah, buddy. And then, you know, that right there is the vent for the gas tank. And then that right there is to hook up the fuel gauge and stuff like that. So we're working on it. We're working on it. So I'm just kind of thinking about, let me turn this around.
All right, so I'm kind of thinking about maybe waiting to run the fuel line to the front of the car until I get the engine and trans in, and then get the cross member for the trans and everything in, so that way I can be for sure how I'm gonna route it. Because as of right now, I'm kind of thinking different routes, you know, different things. So I don't know exactly how I'm gonna run that fuel line. I mean, I got an ideal in my head, but once I put the cross member and everything in it, and the engine and everything in it, I might want to change my mind. So I'm kind of thinking to wait to run the rest of the fuel line until after I get the engine and trans in it. What do you guys think? Because you know I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. So maybe I should just jump in maybe and put the master cylinder on it and start running some of the brake lines. Let me know what you guys think, because right now I'm kind of unsure of what I really want to do. So you guys are awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you. And thanks for watching my video, man. Really appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. And again, thank you so much. I appreciate you.